तो इसका पेरेंट है डैशबोर्ड पेज। डैशबोर्ड पेज पे इसने यूजर डाटा भेजा, के अंदर उसने यूजर डाटा डाल के भेज दिया। अब प्रोफाइल पेज में हम कैसे गेट करेंगे? इनसाइड द प्रोफाइल कार्ड, इनसाइड द फंक्शन नेम, we will just add curly braces inside the parenthesis and paste the name। कौन सा नेम हम यहाँ पे डालेंगे? ये वाला नेम। ये नाम हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, यूजर इन्फो कर दिए, मीन्स ये यूजर इन्फो ही हम प्रोफाइल कार्ड के अंदर गेट कर सकते हैं, यूजर डाटा नहीं। यूजर इन्फो कंटेन्स यूजर डाटा। सो यूजर इन्फो को हम गेट करेंगे कहाँ पे? इनसाइड आवर प्रोफाइल कार्ड। सो अभी हमको यूजर इन्फो मिल गया। सो हाउ टू यूज द यूजर इन्फो? हमने अभी क्या किया, यहाँ पे एक स्टेट बनाया था डेमो बोल के, इसको हटा देंगे अभी के लिए। अब यहाँ पे देखो, इनसाइड दिस वी आर गेटिंग आवर नेम हियर। सो व्हाट विल डू हियर, like we'll type user info question mark, if user info is not equals to null, that means user info question mark। अगर user info है तो हम क्या करेंगे, user info डॉट नेम शो करेंगे, अगर नहीं है तो ब्लैंक शो करेंगे। सेम लाइन अभी हमको रिपीट करना है। यूजर इन्फो डॉट क्या आ रहा है, ईमेल, ईमेल नहीं तो ब्लैंक। सेम हियर यूजर इन्फो। अब यहाँ पे जो अवतार आ रहा है, बस हमको बस नाम और ये दिखाना था, ठीक है। सो सी पहले से ये ब्लैंक था, जैसे ही एपीआई कॉल खत्म हुआ, देखो आई एम जस्ट रीलोडिंग द पेज, यू विल सी अगेन, सी abcda@a.com। okay, so we'll just remove the logout from here because we have our logout at the top. So we'll add the phone here, that is okay. See, first is blank, means using the abcd@a.com the phone number. So user information हो गया। What we'll do next, we'll just go for the post। okay, so now we'll go for the post। So okay, so here I will I just want to see my posts only। okay, so how will I do that? And there is a little change here, we don't have a post image currently। so what we'll do, we'll just replace the post image with some text। so we'll go, okay, so this is complete। now I'll go to our list, then we'll go to our postcard। inside the postcard we'll just write here, okay, to the postcard what will show here, post। so what we'll do, we'll call the API and we'll get all the posts for ourselves। what we'll do now, we'll just go here, call the post get post php, the ID, cancel send। okay, so now we got our post। so these are all our posts। too many. So we'll just make our card. We'll just change our card a little bit. So what we'll do now? So inside the dashboard, we are calling our user card function, and now we will also call this get my post. So what to do now? Just go to API, click new file, post, post.js, side post.js, just go to profile, see, and just copy paste it. Will directly send the response data here without any data. PHP ID. Okay. So we got everything. Now we'll just call this post API inside our index page. So set user data is done. Next we'll do const. Okay. So now we'll create another state here for post. Okay. We are getting an array here. So what is an array? It's the collection of JSON objects. So each JSON object has a name, ID, title, description, and timestamp. The second also have name, ID, title, description, and timestamp. Same, all the posts have the same attribute, and we have multiple posts, more than one post. What we will do? It is an array, so we'll set a blank array here. So in the initially it will be blank array. Next we'll add our post inside the post. What we'll do, we'll just we'll just get the post from the profile API and we'll just set it. Const all posts equals to await user ID. So we'll just import post API from slash API slash post. So now okay, there are 75 people. Post is not defined. Set post. Inside set post, we are setting all posts. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So we got the response here. There are 75 posts now. So what we'll do, we'll first change our postcard according to our content. So what are we getting here? We are getting name. Okay, then time, we have the name and time here. Then we are getting a title and a description. So we will remove the image now and we'll add a title and a description. In the postcard, we have our name here, we have our time here. What we'll do, we'll just remove the card media here and we'll add a card action here. Sorry, content, card content, card content auto import successful. Inside that, we'll add typography, two typographies, one for title and one for text. What we'll do, this variant will be H5 and variant here will be H6. So let's see. Typography is not defined. Okay, see, our profile card is ready. So we'll just add all the data. So inside the profile card, we just got how to set the data and send the JSON object into another component using props. So अब हम यहाँ पे क्या